Hello everyone. So here is a quick update on what I've been doing in the last couple of days. So here now the dinosaurs can hunt animals, hunt other dinosaurs and gather food. So then after hunting them, they bring those hunted meat into this skeleton like camp. I call it the resource dump because this is where all the resources gathered by the dinosaurs are collected. And the reason I implemented it like a skeleton of a large dinosaur is because I thought it would be matching for the theme that I'm going for. And also those buildings are not just built anywhere, they are built on top of existing bone piles on the ground, so that I will have a way to control where the buildings are placed in the level, so I can design them in a way that it makes sense and depending on the locations of other resources, hunting grounds, etc. So yeah, and apart from hunting, I also worked on a system to gather wood. So this guy, I call him the Lumbersaurus, and he's at the moment going to gather some wood. Looks like he's going a long way to gather wood. So yeah, now he's cutting down the tree. Actually he's I don't have animation yet, but I'm going to implement one. So he should be attacking or hit the trees with his horns so that he can cut down, bring down the tree and then collect wood. So yeah, that's how we collect wood in this game. So the wood will be used as means to develop, as a resource required to develop or make other buildings and other stuff in the game. So we will be having some wooden weapons, so for those also we would need wood, and there will be other stuff too that I am gonna require wood. And food is required to maintain the army, because by army I mean the dinosaurs, because the dinosaurs will have to consume food in order to stay alive. So therefore I have to always maintain a steady supply of meat or food. So this blue dinosaur, the RUnndersaurus, that's the name I have given them at the moment. So the main duty of them is collecting or gathering food, hunting. So yeah, that's what I've been doing so far in the last couple of days. And if you haven't already done so, please go to my Steam page and add the game Dinosaurs United into your wishlist. So thanks for watching, see you in another update, goodbye.